Hi student. Till now in studies we have discussed about how to find mean. Then we have discussed about the problems how to be calculated our median to our for given any continuous series. Now in today class, look we are going to start with our next. Actually, the we have discussed about the topic measurement of central tendency, in which we have three measures value, three central values there: mean, mode, and median. We have discussed two of them. First one is mean, then we have discussed about median. Now from today we are going to discuss about the to calculate the mode. Recall in class 9 when you have learned about mode, then if somebody asks you what is mode, then all of you are going to be answered that it's what mode is what? It's a most frequent data. It's occurs so many times, which having occurs most frequently. The data is known as our mode. But look, as a class 10th level, when we are going to discuss about mode, then it's about our discrete series or in our continuous series. Then we are going to discuss the all measures of our central values to about our continuous series there. Then again we have there is a formula to calculate mode for a given continuous series. Then we are going to discuss later it. Now look, when we are going to we have discussed about mean. We are going to tell that it's our mean is generally it's a average. It's our average there, and median is our mostly positional average there. And in general terms, our mode is also called. It's also called as a what? It's a gives of our fashionable values. There are also terms that fashionable. It's the mode is given by fashionable value. How look? Suppose we are going to talk about our discrete series. We have given any discrete series where it's we have size of garments. We take size of garments. Suppose it's in centimeter: 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Size of garments, and we have taken frequencies there. Then it's 24, 23, 22, 19, 18, 17, 16. We have taken the example of any discrete. We have any discrete series there. Then look, and we have to find out the mode for these values there for discrete series. Obviously, we have a larger value is what 24. Then we can say that our the modal size of the garment is what? It's our 30 centimeter. Means what we have created, take a data on the for any cities there are for any. Then we have find it the people where lives in the given city is wearing a garment size having a 30 centimeter there. And look, it's a we are going to talk about some kind of modal values also. When we are going to be drawing a graphical method, we have suppose some y there and o, then x, then when we are going to define it, it's by any graphical method. Then what is our mode? In graphical method, the value of the variable at which the curve reaches the value of the variable at which the curve reaches its maximum is called the mode. Maximum is called the mode there. Now look, we have talked about by graphical representation and also in the terms of discrete series. Now we are coming to the point. How can we calculate our mode by given or how we are going to discuss the calculating the mode or going to computing the mode when we have a given any continuous series there. Then how can we going to be calculate them? Look, when our mode is given by, just suppose we have any class. Look, for calculating a mode, it's should be kept in mind that all the class interval having a equal width there. We need a equal width there. Then suppose we have any class interval there, some A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to F there. And we have any frequencies like L, M, N, O, P. And just suppose our the greatest value is N is what? Is N there in frequency. Our N is greatest. Then the in frequency, the largest value, the largest number is given. It gives our the data which occurs most is always by we are going to be find out modal class by method of inspection method there. Now if just suppose in L, M, N, O, P, N is the largest number there, then it determine our modal class. It gives us our modal class. It gives us our modal class. Now after finding out modal class, look what we have to do. To calculate mode, what is our formula for a continuous series? Now we are going to be determine how can we calculate mode in our then we after getting modal class. This is our modal class. Then the frequency. This frequency is our FM. First of all, I am going to write down a formula there. What is formula there? It's given by L plus we take FM minus 1 2 times FM minus FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1 and then multiply with height. Look, what is the formula given there? Mode is given by L equal to L plus F minus FM minus F minus 1 divided by 2 FM minus FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1 into H. Also we can take its I there. Then look, what is the meaning of terms here? Again, what is L? L is, yes, it's our lower limit of modal class. This is our lower limit of modal class. What is our FM? It's our frequency of modal class. What is our FM minus 1? It's our frequency. What is FM minus 1 represent? Is the frequency of the class preceding to modal class. Then FM plus 1, it's our frequency of the class. It's a preceding frequency. This is our succeeding to modal class. We have need 3 frequencies there. We need 3 frequencies in there in formula: FM, FM minus 1 and FM plus 1. FM is our frequency of modal class. FM minus 1 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. FM plus 1 is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. We can class preceding the and succeeding, it's not true, succeeding the modal class. Now and height H is what? It's a what? It's a width of height. H is what? It's our width of modal class. Now we use our terms there. It's the width of modal class. Then by using this formula, mode is given by our L plus FM minus FM minus 1 divided by 2 times FM minus FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1 into L. Then we can calculate our mode for any continuous series having equal width, where L is termed as lower limit of our modal class. FM gives the frequency of modal class. FM minus 1 frequency of the class preceding to the modal class. FM plus 1 frequency of the class succeeding to the our modal class, and H is our width of the modal class. Now look, we have discussed our formula to calculate our mode there. How can we we are going to calculate our mode for given formula. Then now I am going to explain by solving one of the example to you. How can we calculate our, first of all we have to learn this formula there. If you have a run formula, then there is not all of you are not going to facing any type of difficulty there. If you have a formula in your mind, then generally all of you are not going to face any difficulty in to calculate it. Then one of the requirements is that you have a good in calculation. There you have to be accurate in your calculation. Then if you are good in calculation, if you have accurate calculation, then you are going to be get easily marks in our this topic static systems. Then we are going to take first example of to solve our today for taking to find out the mode. Look what you have given there. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution of marks obtained by 80 students. Look, we have the given marks. We have given marks. We have to find the mode here for which the frequency distribution given by marks and then number of students. Marks and number of students. Marks given the class interval 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. We have a class interval. Then number of students what? 6, 10, 12. 6. We have 10. We have 12. And the frequencies for 30, 40, 32 and 22. 32 and 20. Now look, we have a class interval, we have a frequency, we have frequency table. Now first of all, what we have? We are going to find out our modal class there. How can we find out modal class? Which having the maximum frequency. Look, 32, 6, 10, 22. It's a maximum number there. Its maximum frequency is 32. Then this gives our modal class. Now we get our modal class. We have modal class. Then what is this? 32 is what? Our FM. Because to calculate, we get modal class. Then we have to calculate mode. What is our formula? We have a formula is what? L plus Fm minus Fm minus 1 upon 2 Fm minus Fm minus 1 minus Fm plus 1 and into H, I, whatever you want to write there. Now we have what is modal frequency is 32. This is our succeeding frequency. This is our Fm minus 1. This is succeeding means our Fm plus 1. Now this 30, our L, lower limit of modal class is 30, and then H, it's a 40 minus 30 means 10. Now we have L, we have Fm, we have Fm minus 1, and we have height there. Now then we are going to be calculate what is our L. It's a 30. Now Fm is 32. Sorry, it's a 32. It's a 32. Then Fm minus 1, it's a 12 divided by 2 into Fm. 2 into 32 minus Fm minus 1 means 12 minus Fm plus 1 means 20 into height, it's our 10. Now we have put the all values here. What we have to get the values, we are going to put the values. Now we only have to solve it. First of all, we have to solve our bracket. It's a 30. Here we get 32 minus 12, we get 20. Here we get 2 into 32, it's a 64. Minus 12 minus, then we get minus 32 and then into 10. Then what we have? It's a 30 plus we have 20 here, and here we have 4, 2, 2, 6, 3, 32 into 10. Now what we, after calculation, what we get? We get 20 upon 32, and then look, also we can calculate it by look, we can, it's a 2 into 5 to 5, 10, we get 16 here, then 4, 5, 20, 4, 4 is 16, then what we have? We have here 13 plus 25 by 4, now we have 13 here, now 25 by 4 plus, so 4, 6, 24, 4, 2, 8, 4, 5, 20. Now what is our mode is? It's a 36.25. It's our 36.25 means for a given problems our modal marks is what? It's a 36.25. Again I am going to repeat you what we have to find a mode of this. We have to find the mode for the following frequency distribution of marks obtained by 80 students, then we have to go modal marks that we have to calculate our modal marks for 80 students. Is given there in 0 to 10 we have 6 students, and 10 to 20 we have 10 students, in 20 30 we have 12 students, in 30 to 40 we have 32 students, and in 40 to 50 we have 20 students. Now look what we have to do. First of all, we have to find out by method of inspection our modal class, the which frequency is the higher number. Then this gives our modal class there. Now in 32 is the highest number there, then it's represent our modal class. Now we get our modal class, then if our frequency is, the modal frequency is our FM, the frequency which is preceding to the our modal frequency, it is our FM minus 1. The frequency which is succeeding to our modal class, it's our FM plus 1. We get FM minus 1 is 12, FM plus 1 is 20, and in modal class 30 is, it's a represent class interval. The lower limit of class interval of modal class gives our value of L, which is our 30, and width of the class, H is our width of the class, it's a 40 minus 30, 10. Now after getting all the values, then we are going to put the values here. L is 30, FM 32, FM minus 1 12, 2 into FM, 2 into 32, minus 12 and minus 20, and into multiply, the whole multiply with 10. And after calculating, we get the modal marks for given data is what? It's a 36.25. I hope so all of you are understand. Now going to solve, going to discuss with our next problem. Let's take next problem to explain you. Look, in our next problem, the following table shows the age distributions of cases of a certain disease admitted during a year in a particular hospital. Now we have given the age in years, age in years. Then we have given a class interval 5-14. 15 to 24, 25, 34, 35, 44, 45, 54, and if there is any values, yes, it's a 55 or 64. Now we have age in years, then we have a number of cases. Number of cases. Now we are going to find out number of cases. What we have? 6, 11, 21. 6, 11, 21. And then we have 23, 14, and 5. 23, 14, and 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. Now look, we have to find here again. We have to calculate the age distribution. Find the age distribution of cases. Then we have to find the modal age there. We have to find here modal age. Now look, to find modal age, what we have to do, first of all, we have to see frequency. The most frequent is value is our, it's 23. Now this is our modal class. 35 to 44, we have our modal class. Now means this is our FM, this is our FM minus 1, and this 14 is what? FM plus 1. Now we have FM minus 1, FM plus 1, and the value of lower limit L is what? 35, and height is what here? Look, sorry for that. First of one, our error, common error is what? Look, we have one of the common error doing that. Yes, we are not going to be, it's not our continuous series. First of all, what we have to make it is in continuous series. Then look, First of all, we have to make it our continuous series. Then we have to be, I'm going to write down here our class interval. We have to make it because it's a 34 and then 35. And look, our L is going to be changed here. It's our what? Yes, it's we have to be changed in class interval. How can we change in a continuous interval? Look, we are going to be changed by a factor. How can we get factor? 15 minus 14 divided by 2 means we get 1 by 2 means 0.5. Then we have to change by 0.5 all limit there. Then our continuous class interval is what? It's a 4.5. We have to subtract 0.5 from lower and add 0.5 to upper. Then we have 14.5. It's a 14.5 to 23.5. Then sorry, it's a 24.5. Then 24.5 to 34.5. Then we have a 34.5 to 44.5. 44.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 64.5. Now look, other things are not going to be changed. Now again this 23 means we have our, this is our model class, this is our model class, which have now the value of L is what? What is our value is there? Now since we get all other data are not going to be changed here. Now our series is continuous. Now what is we have L is here 34.5, and what is about H? 44 minus 34.5 H. Now we get our all values there to find out which we have required to calculate our mode there. Now what is mode? How can we calculate mode? Mode is given by, yes, L plus Fm minus 1 divided by 2Fm minus 1 minus Fm plus 1 into H. Now, what is our L? 34.5 plus Fm. What we have the value of Fm? Our modal frequency is what? It's a 23 minus presiding modal frequency is what? It's a 21. Then 2 into 23 minus 21 minus Fm plus 1, our is 14 there, and into 10. Multiply with width of the class. What is it's our 10. We have a mode is given by 34.5, 23 minus 21, or 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 14, and the whole number is multiplied with 10. Now look, after multiplying with 10, what we have? We get here 34.5 plus 23 minus 21, we get 2 into this 10. Here we get 2 into 23, 46 minus 21 minus 14 minus 35. Then we get 34.5 plus 20, and here we get 11. Then we get 11. Now we have to solve 20 upon 11 there. What do we get? 34.5, 11, 1, 11. Then it's 90. Then 11, 88. Then we have 2, 20. Then obviously we get it's 1 times 1. Then we get again the last number is should be greater than in approx it's we can take 1.82. We have 1.82. Then what is our value of modal values is there? 34. Look, it's a 1.8. Then not 34. It's a 5, 8, 13. Then it's a 2 and 5, 8, 13. 5 plus 1, 6. It's our 36.32. This is our modal values for given data there. Now look again. First of all, we have a given in age in years 5, 14, 15, 24, 25, 34, 35, 44, 45, 54, 55, 64. First of all, look, we have to be careful about that. It's a discontinuous series. Then first of all, we have to make our class interval in the continuous form. To make it continuous, what do we do? We are going to find out factors. How can we find out factors? It's 15 minus 14 divided by 2, then we get 1 by 2, 0.5. We have to change our lower, we have to subtract our lower limit by 0.5 by the factor of 0.5, and we have to change our upper limit by the factor of, to adding to the lower limit, upper limit by the factor of 0.5. Then we have a continuous class intervals given by 4.5 to 14.5, 14.5, 24.5, 24.5, 24.5 and so on. After changing in class, then we are going to find out which is our largest number of this frequency. To get our modal class, we get our modal class is having frequency 23. Now our modal frequency is 23. Our preceding modal frequency is what? It's a 21. Succeeding modal is what? 14. Then after getting FM minus 1, FM and FM plus 1, and our lower limit is what? It's a 34.5. Height of the modal class is 10. Putting the all values to the formula of mode is divided by L plus FM minus 1 upon 2 times FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1, the whole multiplied with width of the modular class. Then after calculating, we get the value of this mode for this data is 36.32. Now we are going to take another example to find out mode. Look, find the mode of the following distribution. We have a class and the frequency. Class, then we have frequency. Now look again, we have a class 25, 29, 30, 34, 35, 39, 40, 44, 45, 49, 50, 54, 55, 59, 60, 64, then 65, 69, 65, 69. The frequency is what? 1134, 1134, 7938, 7938 and 4. Look again, now we have a class, look again in class, it's a 29 and 30, it's a discontinuous. Then first of all, look what you do. Since our distribution is not continuous, then we have to change this to continuous distribution. How can we change to our continuous distribution? We can change it by a factor of, how can we get our factor? Look, it's a 29, 30, then by the factor of 30 minus 29 divided by 2 means 1 by 2. Now we have to change our y factor of 0.5. Then again, then our class interval is what? It's a converted to, we have to be, then it's a 24.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 34.5, then 34.5 to 39.5, then 39.5 to 44.5, then 44.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 64.5, 64.5 to 69.5. Look, we have changed our class distribution in a continuous form. Now look, in frequency the larger value is what? We get 9, then this is our modal class. Now we get our modal class. After getting modal class, now look, we are going to find out to mode. How can we do mode? L plus FM minus 1 divided by 2 FM minus 1 minus FM plus 1 into width of the modal class. Now look, what we have? Here we have L is what? 49.5. What is our modal frequency? It's a 9. What is our Fm minus 1 succeeding to the motor class? 7. What is our value of Fm plus 1? It's a 3. Sorry, Fm minus 1 presiding to the motor class and succeeding to motor class is 3. And then lastly, height is what? 49.5 to 50. It's our 5. Now we get all the values there. L is 49.5, Fm is 9, Fm minus 1 is 7 and Fm plus 1 is 3. Then I is what? Height is what? It's a 5. Now we are going to put the values there. 49.5 mode plus Fm in bracket 9 minus 7 upon 2 into 9 minus 7 minus 3 into 5. Look what we have then 49.5. Here we get 2. Here we get 18. 7 3 10 into 5. Then 49.5 plus sorry, it's a 2 into 5 10 and 18 minus 10 we have 8. Then 49.5 it's about 10 by 8, 8 1 8, then 20, then we get 8 2 16, 8 5 40, then we get what? It's a 1.25. We are going to add, then what we get? We get 50.75. Sorry, we get our mode is what? Its motor value is what? 50.75. Okay, this is enough for today class. Please practice all the problems based on mode. Thanks to all.